Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to invert chart on TradingView app on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to invert chart on the TradingView app on your phone, first open up your TradingView app and to land on this interface, which is the watch list section of TradingView. Tap on the chart button, which is just beside the watch list, and over here at the bottom left corner you can see. And on this interface, guys, in order to invert your chart on your TradingView, you can see the settings icon over here where I'm tapping. Just beside the price list over here are the price bar. This is the price bar, and at the bottom right corner where I'm tapping, there is the settings icon. There is the settings icon where I'm tapping over here just below the price bar. Tap on the settings at the bottom right corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the invert scale option available for us. Tap on the invert scale, and the chart or your candles on your TradingView will be reverted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to revert scale on your or the invert chart on TradingView. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.